Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock messages or numbers on your Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, let's say first we're going to unblock somebody that you blocked in Google Messages, and then I'll walk you through a phone number or a contact. Now, let's say I wanted to block Trevor iPhone. I can press and hold on it, and then tap on those three dots at the top right, and then choose to block this person. And I just want to block them, but not report them as spam. After I've done that, I can always go in and unblock them just by tapping on the profile button at the very top right. And there you can see midway down is spam and blocked. These are all combined, basically spam text messages and blocked numbers. So I can tap on it. And there is Trevor iPhone. So I can, again, just press and hold on this. And if I wanted to unblock, I can choose to unblock it either by tapping on the snooze or to delete it, or I can always just tap in here. And once I've done that, I can choose to unblock that number. Now, this is one way. However, keep in mind, you might have blocked their phone number instead in Messages or the phone app. So in the phone app, let's tap on those three dots at the top right, and then go to Settings. And within the settings, you can see blocked numbers. I can tap on that. And here are a couple different blocked numbers that I might want to unblock. And if I do, I can tap on the little minus. And it says now you can receive calls from that number. Just like that, you have unblocked them. They'll be able to text you or call you, depending on which one they do. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you used to have any questions. Thanks, guys.